From stranger on the internet to high-paying client in just 20 days. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Constant Contact Autoresponder series step by step. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put your email follow-up on autopilot. While this is not a typical example, everybody's list and ideal client is different. In this case in particular, I had a client go from cold market to becoming a high-paying ticket client in about 20 days. So here's where I have to give the disclaimer that results are not typical. On April 19th, I had someone join my email list. Within a week, she reached out to me to schedule an appointment, a consultation. On May 6th, I sent the proposal, and on May 9th, I received a paid invoice for $4,250. So within 20 days, I was able to take a complete stranger from the internet and turn them into a high-paying client. By the way, this client joined my email list through a Facebook watch party. So if you haven't seen my video on how to grow your email list from scratch, you definitely want to click up on this card and go watch that video. All right, so let's get into these steps to set up your Constant Contact Autoresponder series. But before we do, I just want to remind you to make sure you click subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos or when I go live. One of the key aspects of building your email list is to actually welcome your new subscribers. In fact, statistics show, according to Marketing Sherpa, that those who actually welcome their email subscribers see a 13% increase in revenue compared to those who don't. So setting up your email on autopilot is a great idea because it keeps your contacts from falling through the cracks in the system. It allows you to nurture your contacts and deepen that relationship so that when they're ready to buy, they buy from you. What we're going to set up today is a series of emails that are going to be sent out to your new contacts over a predetermined period of time. And ground zero with setting up your Autoresponder series is upgrading to the Email Plus package with Constant Contact, because that's the entry level that will allow you to set up marketing automation. Step one is to click the orange button that says Create, and then you select Email Automation. While there are several options, we're going to choose to set up a series. Next, you're going to name the series and choose a list. The contacts that you choose are going to be the recipients of the email series. Next, you are going to choose to either create a brand new email from scratch or you're going to copy an existing one. Another tip is to keep your emails short and simple for your welcome email series. The longer the email, the more likely people are to opt out. Reflective. Keep adding emails to your series until you've added all the emails that you want. And now we're going to schedule them for delivery. For the first email in your series, it's really important that you get that email out immediately once the contact joins your list. If you do it a day or two later, that is far too long and people are likely to forget about you, which means that they are either going to opt out, and the worst case scenario when they opt out is that they can complain and say they never gave you permission to join their list. So get that email out ASAP. For all other emails in this series, you're going to choose one of two time frames for delivery. Either when the contact is added to this specific list or based upon when the previous email was sent. The Email Autoresponder series is not just for your new contacts. You can also send them to existing contacts. So once you go to activate the series, a box is going to pop up and ask if you want to send to existing contacts, and you may choose to do so. Now that we've set up your Autoresponder series, let me know what it's going to mean to you, your business, and your family to have your email follow up on autopilot. Is it going to buy you more time? What are you going to do with that time? Let me know in the comments. For the past year, I've been working with my clients and using Constant Contact to re-engage their existing contacts that have gone completely cold, not only re-engaging them, but turning them into brand new buying customers and clients. My clients that I work with work in everything from consultants to online experts, course creators, content creators, e-commerce, and they are all very happy with the results that they're getting from Constant Contact. That's why when they approached me and asked me to become a partner, I decided to say yes. So you get a 60-day free trial with the link that's below in the comments. Now that you know how to automate your email follow-up, the next step is to actually plan out some marketing campaigns. In the next video, we are going to discuss marketing campaign ideas to keep you in front of subscribers and top of mind, so when they're ready to buy, they buy from you. Do you know someone who could use the information that's in this video? Please do me a favor and make sure that you share it with them. Also, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. Are you serious about growing your email list? Of course you are. That's why you're watching my video. Join me in my Facebook community for more free training and tips, along with a free 5-day video challenge. The link is in the description below. And before you go, make sure you check out these 2 great videos over here.